Okay, so we should be recording. It is February the 20th, I think, today. I want to show you the sky because it is really cloudy. It looks like it's going to rain, but I might get away with that, I'm not quite sure. This is going to be really muddy on here. See how far we get. So I hope you're all well. It's actually really warm. I've got a coat on and I've also got a hoodie on. I'm just going to look behind just to see if there's this guy walking past. 1 second. I know he's gone. So I'm going to switch the camera around. So I know you've been watching the videos, which is great. The microphone's a little bit tinny sometimes, I noticed. And I've got to be like this so you can actually see me as well. So I will get better, and we'll do some vlogs as well. But I'm just going to show you. I don't think I can walk down this path. Look, very muddy. This is what I have to contend with. There's even some horsemen over there. Yeah, we're not getting across that because when I walk across that hill there, I've still got another one to cross. So instead, we're going to have to, could climb up to the top of there, couldn't I? But yeah, I just wanted to show you the weather. Really, it's kind of really warm. It's about 14-15 degrees, but there's a bit of a wind. It's really windy actually, gusty today, and yeah, just kind of wanted to just get out and about and do some more videos. I could go up here. I don't think it'd be too bad actually. Let's go up here. It's only really where the water's gone to the bottom. There we go, that's better. Now, sadly, this is going to be probably one of the last videos on here because I think in the summertime, this is where they're going to be developing the little warehouse distribution. I don't know if it's going all the way up to that line there, or whether or not this will become the lorry driveway. It's a little bit muddy. We'll see how far we get. It's dry in places though. This is the Carrot Park. I just live over that bridge over there, so that's why you always see me on here. But I've not used this new camera up here yet, so yeah, all the water's broken down. It's not wet though, so we're okay. But yeah, it's probably the last time walking on here because I'll start working on it soon. I think it's confirmed now. If you've got any suggestions, we end up quite properly against the future. There, so I didn't walk across the basket because of that puddle of water. All the way around. I want some suggestions of places to visit. You might be watching this and you live in Leeds, or you want to go back to somewhere but you've not been to it for a while. So please put in the comment section. I encourage you to type in the comments. It doesn't have to be anything too far. And then obviously when I travel abroad again, I'll be taking this camera with me. Do you prefer if I do videos like this? Would you prefer it if I do videos like that? I'm watching where I'm going because it's quite muddy now on here. Oh no. The videos that are just pointing. But yeah, definitely going to get out and about more. They've been doing like samples of all sites when they did a report on dig parts of the earth up to see how far down we go. There's another one coming up here actually. Part of that. Lots of different birds, geese, swans. We've had Canadian geese on here as well. You do see some really nice, some really good wildlife. And it'll be a shame once it's all taken away, I guess. But yeah, this is what it used to look like. You may be watching this in the future. That's why I like to show these places where you'll look back and say, oh yes, what did it used to look like? Yeah, for about 4 years, well, longer actually, since they built this pathway, it started walking here. Really, since COVID, since COVID started, walk around the right into my shoe. Walk around here and I stay on this section. It's been quite interesting last few years with this spot. We have this water coming up. And wildlife inside. Completely, all that water there vanished, and then it came back, and then about 2 months later, or a few months later, there was a canal. That's gone now, which is good to see. It probably means they're making the wrong place. It's so dark. It's so dark. We did have a little bit of a warm spell last year, but it wasn't too bad. But there's been some electricity going on tonight. Don't know if the camera's picking the wind up, the sound. Probably quite a bit. So I apologise. Just never thought about getting a windproof microphone or something on it. This is a little part. It used to be woods, green woods. It's nice to walk through. So yeah, this is just where I've been walking the last couple of years, and it's just nice. It's quiet. Obviously it won't be when they're building it. They seem to be taking a long time about it. So definitely progress. There you go. No ducks. Sometimes there's ducks over the other side, but not on here. Well, there has been occasionally 1 or 2 ducks. It just depends on where they